Welcome everyone. If you are just joining us, this is Amaegwu. Amaegwu is a platform that is based in Southeast that showcases the creative industry from the Southeast. It is the digital gateway of entertainment from the Southeast, film, arts, culture, and of course the conversation around it. And I'm hosting it on behalf of Amaegwu. We are talking about creative industry in the Southeast. We're exploring the opportunities they're in. We are looking at so many things that we can do. We can, how we can make it better for ourselves. All of them are all recorded. If you want to hear the previous episode or what we've said before, go straight to Amaegwu page. You can check their podcasts, their Spotify, YouTube, and other platforms where you can go and listen, right? So we have all the things right there, right? So if you have not been following the page, kindly go and follow and share whatever they are doing, and of course support if you can.